next we will continue the next problem, that is 15th question. Are you ready? Great. Take your textbooks. Now I am reading. Listen carefully. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meters. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meters and breadth 45 meters. Who covers less distance? See here. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meters. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with 60 meters and breadth 45 meters. Here, how many members here total? 2 members. Who are they? Sweetie and Bulbul. Sweetie runs around a square park. Here 2 parks are here. The name of the park is, first is square park and next is rectangular park. Okay, this is Sweetie girl. Okay, Sweetie run. Okay, she runs around a square park. She runs here around a square park. The square park of each side is 75 meters. One side of the square park is 75 meters. She is running around a square park. That means one side 75 meters total means here it is equal to perimeter of the square. Very good. Similarly, Bulbul. Here Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. So the park having the length 60 meters and breadth is 45 meters. She is also running, but here it is not the square, rectangular park. She is also running around the square park, rectangular park, whose length is 60 meters and 45 meters. Then what you have to find? How to find who covers less distance. She is running around the square park. She is running around the rectangular park. So who will covers less distance? Who is running? Okay, so who is covers the less distance, that one you have to find. Then, so here you have to assume one side of the square park is 75 meters. She is running around the square park means here this one is equal to the perimeter of square. So right. So that 14th one, 15th question. See the side of square park. Square park, that is 75 meters. So then distance covered by Sweetie. First find the distance covered by Sweetie is equal to perimeter of square park. Okay, perimeter of a square park. The perimeter of square is 4 into side. One side is 75 meters. Now 4 sides means 4 into 75. That is 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. What is the distance here? 300 meters. Sweetie runs total distance 300 meters. Now find the distance covered by Bulbul. Okay, Bulbul. So what is the formula for rectangle? 2 into L plus B. This distance covered by Bulbul is equal to the perimeter of a rectangular park. Then substitute the values here. 2 into L plus B. The length of the rectangular park is how many meters, ma? 60 meters. 60 meters length and breadth is 45 meters. Now add 60 plus 45, 105. So now multiply 2 into 105. That is 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So 210 meters. Now compare Sweetie runs 300 meters around the square meter, around the square park. Bulbul runs around the rectangular park with the distance of 210 meters. Now who covers less distance? Who covers less distance? Bulbul. Bulbul covers less distance. Therefore, Bulbul covers less distance. Okay, right. So surrounding means here you have to equal to that one perimeter. Okay, na? Right. See children, 16th question. What is the perimeter of each of the following figures? What do you infer from the answers? So here, what is the perimeter of each of the following figures? Here, how many figures given? 4 figures. So one is square, and the next rectangle, third shape rectangle, and fourth one triangle. So here what you have to find? The perimeter of figures, perimeter of these figures. What do you infer from the answers after finding the perimeter of each figure? So what will you observe here? So what will you say that? First, draw this one in your notebook neatly. First figures draw neatly. Each figure you have to draw neatly. So right, first figure is square. That square having all sides are equal, 4 sides. One is 25 centimeter, one more side 25 centimeter, and third one 25 centimeters, fourth side 25 centimeters. Now we have to find the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. So perimeter of square. Give the name A, B, C, D. Now write each distance AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. What is the length of AB? 25 centimeters. Length of BC? 25 centimeters. Length of CD? 25 centimeters. And length of DA? Very good. 25 centimeters. Now add all 25 plus 25. 50. Then 50 plus 50, how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of a square. Similarly, second one, see, second figure, that is rectangle. The rectangle of length 40 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeters. Again, one more length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeters. Rectangle has 2 lengths, 2 breadths. So that is the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Then 2 into 1 length is 40 centimeters and breadth is 10 centimeters. Then total 2 into 50. 2 into 50 is equal to 100 centimeters. What is the perimeter of rectangle here? 100 centimeters. Similarly, third figure, see, third figure, that is, yes, rectangle. It is a rectangle having 2 lengths are 30 centimeters and 2 breadths are 20 centimeters. Now here also we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle. The dimensions are different now. 30, 20 different. The length and breadths are different. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into length is 30 centimeters. Breadth is 20 centimeters. Then 2 into 30 plus 20, 50 centimeters. 2 into 50 is 100 centimeters. Here also see perimeter of a rectangle 100 And finally, see D1 triangle. Triangle is having three sides, one side 30 and one more side 30 and the third side is 40 centimeters. So here also we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to, perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all three sides. Sum of all three sides. So three sides are 30 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, right? Okay. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 40, 100. Now observe, from figure A, the perimeter of square is 100 centimeters. From figure B, perimeter of rectangle is 100 centimeters. From figure C, perimeter of a rectangle is 100 centimeters. From figure D, the perimeter of a triangle is 100 centimeters. Now observe, all the figures having the same perimeter. What did you observe here? The perimeters of all figures is 100 centimeters. That is the answer. Right. Okay, see students, 17th question. Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs, each with a side of 1/2 meters. He says them in the form of a square. What is the perimeter of his arrangement? Shari does not like his arrangement. She gets him to lay them out like a cross. What is the perimeter of her arrangement? Which has greater perimeter? Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find a way of doing this? The paving slabs must meet along complete edges, that is, they cannot be broken. So here given, Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs. These slabs, if you see at house also we will see. So under the floor we are using the slabs, no? Yeah, right. These paving slabs, each side having 1/2 meters. He lays them in the form of a square. He arranged that one in the shape of a square. Okay. First question. What is the perimeter of his arrangement? He arranged that slabs in the form of square. That square of one side is half meter. Then what is the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square means 4 into side. Right. So that one we have to find here. Okay. So here Avneet arranged 9 square paving slabs. Okay. So in the shape of a square he arranged, but each side is half meter. One side, so it is square, so it is a square now. One side is half meter. Like 4 sides means, so half. Like here, he arranged 9 square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 square paving slabs, each with the side half meter. So we have to find here the perimeter of his arrangement. So one side of the paving slab is half meter. Like, so here how many sides here? So here one side, this is one side half meter, one side. Okay. So if you see, one side is half meter. Like perimeter of a square is nothing but 4 into side. So first we will write here side of square is, that is half meter. Side of square paving slab, that is the side of a square is half meters. Like here we have 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. So like here also 3 sides. Now I am finding 3 into each side is half meters. You will get 3/2 meters. We have to find the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. 4 into side. That is 4 into 3/2 meters. Simplify 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes are 6 meters. 6 meters. What is the perimeter of arrangement of square paving slabs? 6 meters. Right. See second figure. What he again he has arranged in the shape of like this. Like this he has arranged. That is not in the shape of a square. Who arranged this one? Shari. Shari does not like his arrangement. Okay, she gets him to lay them out like a cross. Who arranged this one? Avneet. Avneet arranged the paving slabs in the shape of a square, but Shari does not like his arrangement. She has arranged like a cross. Okay, now you have to find the perimeter of this arrangement. Okay, the perimeter of Avneet arrangement will take 6 meters. What is the perimeter of a cross? How to find? So here, give the name first for understanding. I am giving the names here: A, B, C, D, right? E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, so first each side here half meters, right? So everything we write here, that is B question. Perimeter of, so which one? Perimeter of a cross here. So cross of a perimeter we are finding now. One side is half meter, that is the total distance is AB. Okay, everything we write now. First AB, next BC, CD, DE, EF, next FG, HGH, HI, IJ, next JK plus KL and LA. Now we everything write down. See, what is the length of AB here? Each side is half meters. Right. One is half meter plus BC. So here how many sides? 2 sides. Then how many halves? 2 halves. So that is 2 into 1 by 2 meter plus 2 into 1 by 2 meter. Next C to D. How many slabs here? 2. That is again 2 into 1 by 2 meter. Next length of DE. Only 1 by 2 meter plus next E to F. 2 halves. That is 2 into 1 by 2 meter plus FG. How many slabs? 2. One side is half. 2 sides means 2 into 1 by 2 meter plus GH. GH is only 1 by 2 meter plus H to I. 2 slabs. That is 2 into 1 by 2 meter. Again I to J. 2 halves. That is 2 into 1 by 2 meter. After that K to J. That is J to K half meter plus K to L. Very good. 2 into 1 by 2 meter plus L to A 2 halves. So that is 2 into 1 by 2 meter. Now everything we simplify. Half meter, that is 1 by 2 meter. 2 into half is equal to 1. That is 1 meter. Again 2 into half, that is 1 meter. So next to 1 by 2 meter plus 2 2's cancel, that is 1 meter. Again 2 halves is 1 meter. 1 by 2 meter. 2 cancel, that is 1 meter plus here also 2 cancel, 1 meter. Next to half meter. 2 into 1 by 2 meter, that is 1 meter. And next last 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 meter. Now add all the values. Half how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 halves. 4 half is 1. 4 halves means 2 meters. Then so all 1 meters add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 meters. Then total 10 meters. meters. Okay, Shari arranged the paving slabs like a cross. It has taken the total perimeter is 10 meters. Avneet arranged the paving slabs in the form of square. It has taken the total. It has taken, that means the arrangement of square taken, the perimeter is 6 meters. Now come to the third question. Which has a greater perimeter? Avneet or Shari? Yes, very good. Shari. Second one is write that one. Third question. Second arrangement has greater perimeter. Arrangement has greater perimeter. Very good. Now finally see, Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find a way doing this? Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Is there any way to arrange the paving slabs? Yes. Okay. Yes. If all the squares are arranged in a row, then the perimeter will be 10 centimeters. Like that also we can arrange. Okay children, up to now we have completed 10.1 exercise of all problems. 1 to how many problems? 17 problems we have completed. So these all problems today, exercise 10.1 all problems we have to practice, and so solve these all problems neatly and post in the Google form. So today homework is practice exercise 10.1 problems. What is the homework today? Exercise 10.1 1 to 17. 1 to 17. Exercise 10.1. All problems we have to solve. Okay na children? So solve means you have to practice. You have to practice all problems and post in the Google form. So still if you have any doubts, the total exercise of 10.1, okay, so you join in the Zoom class, you can clarify your doubts. Okay children, bye.